So these are the ingredients to make my easy, healthy banana pancakes. So for the pancake mix, we require about 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. We also require 2 large eggs, 1 cup milk, or if you do not have milk, you can actually use water, 1/4 sugar, and the star of this recipe is the bananas. So what we're gonna do is we will be cooking the bananas, and at the same time we will need to mix the pancake mix as well. So let's get started. You require a bowl and you also require sifter. Now what we're gonna do is we will be adding in the flour to the sifter, just like that. Cup, perfect. And then just sift the all-purpose flour into the bowl. That's it. Then we're gonna add in 2 eggs. One cup milk and 1/4 cup of sugar. Then we're gonna mix it. You can use a whisker to whisk it through, or you can also use a spoon. Combine all of the ingredients together. And then we're gonna set it aside, and then we're gonna cook the bananas now. So what we need to do with the bananas is, so we actually require about 3 bananas. So it is up to you on how many pancakes you would like to make. But for this recipe, I'm actually using 3 bananas. So I'm going to I've already peeled one of the bananas, so I'm going to just slice it about 2 inch. Now you've sliced the bananas. What you need to do is just to cook the bananas for at least 1 minute. So we're gonna heat the butter in the pan. So we require 3 tablespoons of butter. Need to control the heat. Then add in the bananas. So we're trying to achieve here, we want the banana to look brown and start to soften for about 1 minute. And please make sure not to overcook the bananas. I actually use ripe bananas, so as you can see, it's looking like the banana's brown now. Okay, then we're going to transfer that into dish and then set it aside. Now using the same non-stick frying pan, what we're going to do now, we are going to put the batter into the pan. to swirl the batter in the pan. So we're going to cook until the bottom part is golden. And then we're going to turn the pancake over. And then we cook the other side for another 1 minute or until it's golden. So there you are. That is my version of easy banana pancake.